doing? How your mama now? Welcome to this week's gonna be the Black door and a TVB and doors channel. And it's right there. That's my channel name. That's Lucille, and this is Betty, or AKA known as the Mistress, Black Betty. Whoa, so we're going. We headed to Vam. That's I won't start to July the 9th. This is July the 3rd. We're going to take a little side trip. Actually, it's just on the way trip. Stop over. Layover. That's what it's called. Hey, run an intro, and I'll tell you about it when we get on the bike. We're on an adventure. We're going to get somebody to do. Yep. Let's see if I'll explain it all to you. Alright folks, welcome back to the Blue Bike Indoors channel. As like I said, we on the Miss Black Betty, aka the Mistress. This is what she was for, is road tripping. Woohoo! Lucille's for road tripping too. I rotate them. Well, I've been seeing deer down through here every morning when I go to work. Yeah, right in here. They usually run up through here and then go right back up there. Right along that fence line. Hey, but that ain't what we're talking about. It is, hey, right on time. We are perfect today. We are already out of the house before 7 o'clock. That's what I wanted. Because we on a mission. A mission to get somebody a new tattoo. And I get to pick the road sign, or yeah, that's what he said, road sign and location. If I find his sticker, and I know exactly where it's at, I think. I'm 99% sure. I know the percentage where it's located, and it's on 129 on the Tennessee side, down by the river. That's JST. No, it's J Street Moto. Go check out J Street Moto. He's supposed to be coming to Vam. If he makes it, we'll see. Get to meet it. He's in Charlotte, North Carolina. That's later on in the week. But first, we got to get up that way. So it is. Says it's 76 degrees. And sun's coming up. Remember, you can't have a bad day at work if you don't go. So we're gonna be gone for 11 days, maybe. We'll see. Date's Friday, July the 3rd. We'll see when we get home. But we're gonna be a week in Tazewell. Virginia, it's for lovers, you know. We'll see. As John Road warrior. He's a very beast. No, that ain't John. Anyway, go check. Don't do nothing, but we'll see you down the road. We gotta stop and get gas. We gotta stop and eat, and we gotta stop and find a sticker. Probably stop and pee somewhere along there. We're ready to, but we'll get on up the road. Hey. Welcome back. Oh, yeah. I can see what I'm doing here. Welcome back to the Blue Bike Indoors channel. We just turned off of Highway 411 here in Monroe. D-O-N-R-O-E. I think I spell it. Monroe. Anyway, this is a little Highway 72 that runs over the US 129. So we almost up here to where we gotta find that sticker. Playing savage hunting, or whatever they call it, wasn't it? Savage hunting. Oh, well here's where we run into 129 at, here at the Dragon City. You know, Dragon City. And then the Dragon Restaurant, whatever they call it. She has a lot of drama. You follow her on Instagram. Here at the Dragon City. Woohoo! We on the tail of the dragon. Woohoo! 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 Oh, I think I'm losing my mind. They're going to get me away. This is probably one of my favorite spots, right? You know, riding alongside the lake right here. Yeah, buddy. Just pretty for you. Mountain water on one side, mountain on the other. So this right there by this picnic area, second one I believe, might be the first one, I don't know. There's a picnic area with a white sign is what we're looking for, what it looked like. There's some motorcycles. We didn't see a bunch of motorcycles. This one car up here, he's gonna make sure he's not gonna break no speed limit. 45 miles an hour. It's a 50 mile an hour zone. At least do 55. He's looking at the water, looking at the trees, looking at the bushes, looking at the looking at everything but the road. Alright, we getting closer. There's Foothill Parkway. We're going to be turning on down here when we come back. We're going to go across Foothill Parkway. Yes, sir. Maybe these people are too. I think this is the boat launch. Yep. Is it this one? It's all up here. There's the picnic area. I believe this might be the sign, I think. Maybe. We're going to spin back around, so we're going to be a little closer.
Pretty sure this is it. It's the only picnic area around here. There goes a motorcycle. There's the white sign.
Right, let's see if we can find J Street Moto. We gotta find J Street Moto. J Street Moto. Alright, let me look for it. I'll be right back. You see it? I don't see it right. Yep, right there. He put two of them right there. Right there. You're getting a tattoo there, J Street Moto. Alright, we got the sticker up there. Here where we at. Left lane is for crime. I like that. So here we are just off of 129. If you know where we at, you can find my sticker right there. I'll give you a $25 Harbor Freight gift card. Send me on my Instagram. Blue Bike and Door Channel. Just tag me in it. First one to do it. Alright, let's get over this hill. Maybe it's a little cooler on top. There goes some motorcycle. There comes a spider. Old school spider. Woohoo! I hope she put on some sun cream because she was white as a ghost. Well, that water looked nice. It was good and clear. I'm a mountain man. I go over the mountain. Going to go ride Foothill Parkway. We'll see you. I don't know when we'll see you again. I don't know what it caught and what it didn't. It beaked on me. Yeah. Where's that road at anyway? Alright, well, it's Sevierville. That's a birthplace of Dolly Parton. Woohoo! I'm gonna get up there and see her truck stop. Good old Rocky Top. One more look at the pretty lake. Little picture right there. Maybe we should have. Oh well. Foothill Parkway. We got like 55 miles to getting to the parkway, give or take, because it probably tells us to turn on up 321, but you can go across 321. We call it the new part of the Foothill Parkway, pretty up that end. So we're going to go all the way to Weirberry. We're going to look for bear and Bigfoot. They went by a bush. It was kind of close to the road, and it started moving. I thought, oh, what is that? It has cooled off to 80 degrees up here in this shady on the mountain, crawling across Foothill Parkway. Woohoo! You know, we got to do some winery. It's free wine testing. All up in my business. We roll out. Hey, welcome back. Golly. We out here in the hood, in the woods. Yeah. So we're gonna turn down here and on even a more of a rural road in the hood back here in the wood. And y'all check out our combinations for where we're staying at for next day in the morning, or Friday and Saturday, Friday night and Saturday night. Woohoo! Dark, Bigfoot, bear, maybe. We WHALMYWE. Wallywood, Riley, well, I don't know, but it's a single lane road. Yeah, buddy, gravel. But we don't get run over. There it is. Take the one on the left. Okay. Alrighty then. There it is. There's 4 of them out here. The orange is on the top. Yep. Go by this little stinky pond. Gravel. Supposed to be deer out here. I don't see no deer. That's why.
They said take the one on the way up. There's 2 out here. Okay, that's the top road. We on the bottom road. There's 1. There's 2, 3. But no deer. I thought we'd see some deer. Look at deer out here. It's a deer farm. On the picture, it showed it was that
steep going up it. I'm gonna have to figure out how I'm gonna turn around. Park in the front yard. Alright, here we go. No deer. There's supposed to be deer out here. It's a deer farm without no deer. So this is our silo. A restroom. Potty and shower. And linen closet. Then across the silo is the bedroom. Yep. And then our outside stuff. Yep. They gave us firewood. We can build a fire. Yep. Alright, so here's where we're gonna go back out behind my house. Roll down the hill, I guess. Alright. Go check out that video there. That one there. Hit that subscribe button. Give me a thumbs up. We'll see you down the road. We do got deer. There they are. Little bitty one too. That's a little bitty pond.